What's up guys, and welcome to the National iPhone Day. Once again, we have the official launch of the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 12 mini. In this video, I'm unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This of course is the best and the biggest iPhone ever, so I'm going to be comparing its size to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, as well as comparing it to the iPhone 12 Pro, which I've been using since its launch. So it's been, I think, almost a month, so I'll be giving you guys some thoughts on that as well. So let's get right into the unboxing. This is the 256GB model. I actually went this time with the most famous color, with the Pacific Blue. I went with the 256GB storage. I think that's a very sweet spot. I mean, you can go with the 512GB as well if you want absolute maximum storage. Here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the Pacific Blue color. Has this really nice matte finish, and this is indeed the flagship color that everybody wants to go for. Here's a quick comparison with the silver/white color. I feel like this is like very minimal kind of look, but obviously the blue, it definitely is really pretty. So taking the phone out and putting it on the side, as always, very simple unboxing. We have the Apple's USB-C to Lightning cable. This is, of course, just the cable. You don't get the charger out of the box. If you already have a charger, then that's great, but if not, and if you want the best and the fastest charger from Apple, then you have to buy this 20-watt power adapter separately. Then we have some paperwork, which includes a SIM ejector tool, as well as some guidelines, and finally, Apple sticker. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. Of course, we have this kind of sticker thingy on the front, removing it, and wow, this is a big boy. 6.7-inch display, stainless steel sides. Honestly, looks really good in this current lighting, sort of black kind of look to them. Let's go ahead and boot this one up. Apple logo, A14 chip. I've already done a speed test of the iPhone 12 Pro with the Note 20 Ultra. If you want to see the speed performance, you can check that video out. Link is in the description. The iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max, they have the same specs. So you get 6 gigs of RAM, Apple A14 chip. So you'll get the idea of similar performance of what you will get on the Pro Max. Okay, so we are done with the setup, and I have to say it looks so good. This blue color, it's honestly really premium. Because of its boxy sides, it actually feels more handy compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The 11 Pro Max always felt like it was slightly slipping out of my hand, but this one has a really good grip. Now you can see the size increase difference, the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the 6.5-inch iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a slight increase, like not a huge jump. Of course, that notch design, it's still present here, and it's also a 60Hz XDR OLED display. It's a really good display, but it is 60 Hz. Here's a quick comparison of the last year's gold iPhone 11 Pro Max color next to the Pacific Blue 12 Pro Max. And here's a quick comparison with the standard iPhone 12 Pro, which only has a 6.1-inch display. I think this is like a perfect size for most people. The 12 Pro Max can be a bit too big. Of course, with bigger display, you also get bigger battery. That is also another factor to get the big model. But yeah, as far as the internal specs are concerned, they are very similar, except the camera. So the main camera sensor of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is actually bigger than the 12 Pro. It's also got slightly better optical image stabilization. I mean, the 12 Pro is really good with its image stabilization, but Apple has sort of a different kind of implementation with the Pro Max camera. As always, I'll be doing a camera test really soon. Now here's the comparison with the Note 20 Ultra. This one is 6.9 inches. You can see it still is bigger than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, slightly taller. You can see they do look really stunning. Obviously, this is punch hole, this is notch. Some people like this one. I personally prefer the punch hole, of course. It looks a lot more cleaner. Also, Note 20 Ultra has 120 Hz refresh rate, so feels a bit smoother as well in terms of scrolling. As always, if you want to see the speed test comparison, do check it out in the description below. Now, I will be doing a camera test comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, as well as loads of other videos. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing experience. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.